Hello guys, in this video we will color apples. This is big apple, medium apple and small apple. First we will start with big apple. Here we have these crayons to color these apples and I will choose a red crayon to color the big apple. Color, color, color. Apples are of so many colors like red apple, green apple and yellow apple. First we will color this big apple red. Almost done. Here I am done coloring my big apple red. Now I will do my medium apple with green crayon. Color, color, color. Almost done. Here you go. I'm done coloring my medium apple green. Now I'll color small apple. I will color small apple with yellow crayon. Color, color, color. Here I'm done. Now I will color all the leaves green and the stick brown. All done. I'm all done. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.